Ever have someone tell you all religions are basically the same? Not only is this statement false, it is very disrespectful to most of the religions of the world. It's like saying all jobs are basically the same. Sure, people do work and they get paid, but those are superficial similarities. Imagine a computer programmer going to a construction site but not knowing anything about safety procedures. The programmer would quickly realize he has to change his thinking in order to survive there. Imagine going to a dental office and seeing the dentist is actually a chef who thought he wanted to do a different job today because all jobs are basically the same. It wouldn't work. It's also like saying all sports are basically the same. Imagine a tennis player on a soccer field. How well would a race car driver perform playing basketball? It wouldn't work out too well. While most religions have a place of worship, some rules, and a God, not all of them do. Those that do have these things vary greatly in how they see destiny, salvation, theology, purpose, and morality. At best, some could accurately say most religions are superficially similar but fundamentally different.